Hello and welcome to another video. So this is a tutorial on how to build a teleport network, and this is great for if you have like a big city such as, I don't know, this city, and you need to get around it quickly and conveniently. So the first thing you're going to want is a building that you can put this in, and you're going to want that building to be on a nice round set of coordinates. So as you can see, we are right at 150 and 250, and those are just good numbers that work for me. If you have just a ton of stuff everywhere, odds are you're going to be good to go at 1,000,000 by 1,000,000, and of course the Minecraft world is way bigger than that, so you can just build your building out in the middle of nowhere. You're teleporting to it, so it doesn't really matter how far away it is. And first of all, I'm going to show you how this works. So we're going to start at this hub, which I haven't given it a name yet, and we can go to the replica Pokemon Center. Right? You step on the pressure plate, and boom, we're here at the Pokemon Center, and I can go and I can heal all of my Pokemon, and I can do all of the other things that I do at a Pokemon Center. And then there's a return teleport, right? So I can go back to my teleporting hub. And what you're going to do is you're going to build 2 blocks down. You're going to dig down 2 blocks for every single one of these teleporters. So you're going to put a command block in the bottom, and you're going to cover it up with something else. So that way you don't have to see the ugly orange command block all the time. And what we put here is going to depend on where we want this to go, right? So what we're going to do is first we're going to go to wherever this place is that we want the teleport to. So let's pick a place that's, I don't know, not too far away. See, this is one that I've already made, and let's go here. Okay, this is the maximum beacon, basically. What I'm going to do is I'm going to stand where I want to be, and I'm going to press F3C, and that is going to copy the location to the clipboard. And then I'm going to go back. Oops. Okay, and here I am at my building, and you're gonna just go into the command block and paste that in. Now you can delete these last 2 numbers in green. Those are just for the direction that you're gonna face. You can delete everything else before TP, just to make the command a little bit easier to read and understand. You can also change this to @P. Now we have a simple command, right? Also delete these, decimal places. We don't need that accuracy. TP, @P, and then your coordinates. Okay. You're gonna hit done, and don't hit escape, don't hit cancel, don't hit anything else, just hit done. Now that command is set, and you can cover it up, put a pressure plate on top of that. If you put 2 blocks, for whatever reason, that is not going to work. A redstone signal won't carry to the command block. And then you're going to put a label on it. So, beacon. I don't know why it's in all caps. I just decided to put it in all caps, right? Label it, however you want it to be labeled. And then you can go right there. Now that's how you make the teleport one way. How do you make the teleport the other way? Well, you're going to be making a lot of the same one. So you don't want to just copy the coordinates every single time. This is why you put it at a nice round number, but also that won't be super necessary. You can actually just have your building wherever. So what you're going to do, we know the height of this is 79. We know, our nice round number coordinates, and you're just going to type in TP @p 150 79. Oh, we'll go 0.5 just in case there's like a little bit of lag or whatever. 250 for my coordinates. Done. Then you are gonna do a NBT grab, and so you'll know you succeeded because it's gonna say plus NBT. So this is just a regular command block with no command in it. It just says command block. This is a command block with NBT, and that's how you know it has the command. So on a Mac, that is command and then your pick block, and then on Windows, I'm pretty sure that it is control and pick block. So I have my pick block set to option because sometimes I only have a trackpad, and it gets bad with just the trackpad. Alright, so now I'm going to go back to my location, which I could have just teleported to because I already set that up. But I just wanted to show you, where it is again, I guess. We're going to pick block this, and we want to make sure that we're not, directly on. So we're going to be a few blocks over to the side, just so I'm sure. And then I actually have to build this down. Right. So right here, I'm going to put my command block with the NBT, this one. And you can see it already has that coordinate filled in. Done. I'm putting my block right there, pressure plate right there, and label hub. This command block is still available. So now that I'm in my hub, I don't need that one anymore. I can go right to it. Hub will take me back. Let's go somewhere else now. Okay. Let's go. We can go really far away. Okay, this is the Capitol building that's under construction. It's, a new Capitol building. This time, we're not going to put anything above it. This is going to take us to the hub. We're going to copy these coordinates before we go to the hub. And we don't want to be exactly on it. We want to be like a little bit off so we don't just get stuck in a teleport loop, because that's really bad. Alright, we're going to go here, copy these coordinates. We'll label this as hub, and go back to the hub. And now we're good to put our regular command block, so this one doesn't have a command in it. Alright, we're just going to put that right there. Paste. Again, we don't need these two numbers. You can leave them in there, but I like to clean up the command as much as possible. So TP add P, we're going to get rid of these, since I accidentally deleted one of the actual coordinates. I don't know what that was. 310. I just like this command to be as short as possible so I can actually understand what it's doing. You can transfer between dimensions and all that, but it just adds another layer of complexity. Done. We're going to put our cover on that, and we're going to label it as Capitol. This is for the Capitol building. Okay, we've done that. Boom. We go back to the hub. And let's go to the Pokemon Center. Okay, so now let's say I want to, let's say the Pokemon Center is a popular destination. Alright. I don't know why it would be a popular destination, but let's just say it is, okay? So we're going to do the same thing that we did previously. We are going to do our NBT pick block, from this one that goes to the Pokemon Center. Now we have an NBT thing. Also, never put them right next to each other, because then it's going to activate both at the same time, and that just gets weird. We are going to put this where it is possible to put it. So, let's Leave it the same concrete that we always do. Okay. I guess that one I didn't do this, but I want to make sure that it's, you know, the right one. I actually did one block too far, so we're going to put this one. We're going to label it, place the pressure plate down, and label that, and it can take me right there. So if I'm at the Capitol, and let's just say that I'm both, you know, in Congress and a Pokemon trainer. Boom, I can go right there. This one, you know, it's the Pokemon Center one, so if I just go here, it doesn't really do that much because I'm already right there. So if you do that accidentally, that's one of the least bad mistakes you can make, is teleporting yourself to where you already are, right? That's how you can make a teleport system. You can put as many things at however many locations you want, and you can make as many hubs as you want, and make sure you don't just call them all hub and hub and hub. Also, if you're getting your command blocks confused, then just get rid of all of them except your non-NBT one, and just, you know, start with that and just make a new one if you need to. So that's how you do that. Don't forget to leave a like, share, subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.